Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how to verify your Opay account using only BVN number. So all you just have to do, just open your Opay account. Then on the top left corner where you see your name, then you see an Opay icon or logo. I mean, just right here at the top left. So then the next thing you're gonna do is to click on the logo. Then it will take you straight down to this page right here. So on this page you can see Opay account number, and then you can see account tiers. So at this account tiers right here, so the next thing you're gonna do is to click on the account tier. So I'm currently on an account tier 3, so you can see right there. Then you can see linked ID, you see BVN and NIN. So then you see limit info and all that. So since I'm currently on tier 3, so you can see I can do a transaction of 5 million in a day, and the maximum account balance is unlimited. You can see right there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the BVN and NIN right here, right? So I'm going to click on that. So then it's going to take me straight down to this page where I have to input my password. So then it's going to take me to this page right here. So you can see this page. So you can see ID type, BVN verified, full name, ID number, date of birth, gender, ID type, full name, ID number, date of birth, gender, right? So, and you can see down below, you see if there has been a change to the name on your ID, so please click here to update your name. So if there's any change, or you haven't add any of your details to it, so it's gonna ask you to impute that. So click here to update your name. So you'll be able to also add your BVN. So you can see right here BVN, your name, NIN and all that. So then you can select which one you wanted to edit, then you click on update. So then you can actually add your BVN, and once it's verified, every other thing will be working perfectly with your Opay account, because it will link everything together and import your name that you have registered in any physical bank, whether GT Bank, FCMB, or any bank you're actually using. So since you already done your BVN at that place, so every other things will be activated on your account. So that is how you can actually verify your BVN with Opay, or how you can actually use your Opay account while you only verified your BVN with them. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to reply to that. Thank you.